Hello, children. How are you? How was your night, my friends? Good. Mine was fantastic. Welcome to another radio learning program for P4 Science. This is one of the radio programs produced by Rwanda Education Board with the support from UNICEF Rwanda and in partnership with Inspire, Educate and Empower Rwanda, IEE. My name is Teacher Gerard. I will be teaching Primary 4 Science. And my Primary 4 children, welcome. Children, as always, get your pens and notebooks for taking notes, doing exercises, and homework that you'll be given. Take 5 seconds to be ready. Wow! After getting the writing materials ready, may you sit next to the radio, tune it to be loud enough, and be ready to listen to it keenly. Great, dear parents and guardians, we appreciate you for your meaningful support to the children in ensuring that the children are kept safe at home during this time of coronavirus disease breakout. I would like to continue reminding you to be close to the children and follow up what they are doing and support them where necessary. Thank you, parents. Children, let us stand up and we will sing the other warm-up song that we sang last time, the very last one, which says, "Let the redeemed of the Lord say so." Children, are you one of the redeemed? Wonderful, I like that. I am also one of the redeemed. So, let us sing the song. We will sing it 2 times together. Can you remember the tune? The tune goes, Wow! Let us now sing 2 times. Let the redeemed of the Lord say so. Let the redeemed of the Lord say so. Let the redeemed of the Lord say so. I'm redeemed, praise the Lord. Again. Let the redeemed of the Lord say so. Let the redeemed of the Lord say so. Let the redeemed of the Lord say so. I'm redeemed, praise the Lord. Wonderful. I like your voices. My friends, let us try to remember what we learned about last time. Can you remember what we learned about last time? Very, very good. In our last lesson, we learned about uses of soil. Uses of soil. Is that correct, children? Perfect. Now, can you remember some of the characteristics of suitable soil for cultivation? 10 seconds. Wonderful. The characteristics of suitable soil for cultivation that we learnt about last time were: it should have adequate amount of humus. Number 2, it should have high water holding capacity. Number 3, it should be well aerated. Number 4, it should be deep because deep soil enables plants to grow well. Number 5 was, it should be easy to dig. Are we together, friends? Very good.
Come along and play with us.
Okay, children. Today we are going to learn about soil erosion. Can you say that? Soil erosion. Good. Write that one at the top of your page. Soil erosion. Wow. Now listen, children. Soil erosion is the washing away of the topsoil. Soil erosion is the washing away of the topsoil. The topsoil can be washed away by so many things that we are doing on it. We are going to see them later. I want to repeat. Soil erosion is the washing away of the topsoil. The topsoil can be washed away by so many things that we are going to see later. When the topsoil is washed away, we keep on losing soil slowly by slowly. Do you understand? When the topsoil is washed away, we keep on losing soil slowly by slowly. Have you ever thought of why running water from rain is dirty? Sometimes when it rains, the water that is running on the ground, why is it dirty? Or why is there dust in the space after a car has passed on a rough road or a murram road? Or when there is a strong wind, we can see dust. Have you ever thought of why is there dust? That which you see is soil being lost. The dust that you see, the dirty water that you see, shows us that soil is getting lost. That which you see is soil being lost. Is that correct? When you see dirty water moving, there is soil particles in it. When you see dust in the atmosphere, there is soil particles in it. Is that correctly understood, children? Great. When it rains or water is poured on the soil, it washes away some soil. The process of carrying of soil by wind, water, or other agents is called soil erosion. Soil erosion reduces the fertility of soil. Soil erosion reduces the fertility of soil. Farmers do not get good crops because the soil fertility is reduced through erosion. So soil erosion is not a good activity. It is not a good act. Soil erosion reduces the fertility of soil, and farmers do not get good crops because of soil erosion. The fertility in the soil has gone in the soil that was eroded by either water or wind. Good. Let us now see agents of soil erosion. An agent. If you are an agent, you are like a go-between. You are causing something to happen. Something wants to happen, but there is something that must be done first. So agents are causing things to happen. We want to see some of the agents of soil erosion. Right? Agents of soil erosion. Perfect. There are many things that are responsible for soil erosion. These are called agents of soil erosion. Agents of soil erosion. Number 1, water. When water runs over the soil, especially on the soil that is not well covered by plants, it carries away the topsoil with it. On the hill slopes, this is even more severe. On the hill slopes, this is even more severe. Water is an agent of soil erosion. Wind is an agent of soil erosion. Strong wind carries away loose and dry soil particles easily. Strong wind carries away loose and dry soil particles easily. When the wind blows, it carries away these particles to a distant place. Now, causes of soil erosion. Causes. Write that one. Causes of soil erosion. Are we there? Great. Soil erosion is caused by any activity that make the soil bare and loose. Soil erosion is caused by any activity that make the soil bare and loose. These make the soil particles break and fall easily. They dry and break into smaller particles that can easily be affected by the agents of erosion. Once the soil particles have broken into smaller pieces, they are ready to be affected by the agents of erosion. The following are different causes of soil erosion. Number 1, deforestation. Write that. Deforestation. Deforestation is the cutting down of trees. When the trees are cut down, the soil is left uncovered. This causes it to be carried away easily. Can you tell why we cut trees? Share with us. Why do we cut trees? That is great. We cut down trees for building houses and bridges, for firewood and charcoal, to clear the land for farming. Those are the reasons why we cut down trees. Do you understand? Perfect. The next thing is overgrazing. Overgrazing is another thing that causes a lot of soil erosion. What is overgrazing? Animals graze the plant cover on land and expose the soil for erosion. You know, our animals always eat the plants which grow on the soil. But when we keep many animals on a small piece of land, that one is called overgrazing. Overgrazing. That means so many animals kept over a small piece of land. Many animals on a piece of land eat all the grass and plants that cover the topsoil, making it weak. So we need to control that. Great. Number 3 causes soil erosion also. The point number 3, which is burning of bushes or the cause of bushfires. Burning of bushes or the bushfires. My friend, bushfires make the soil bare and expose it for erosion. It will expose it for erosion. When fire burns the bush remains without the cover. Then the soil is exposed for erosion. When bushes are burnt, the land gets exposed to the direct heat from the sun. And also the rain hits the ground directly, breaking the soil into smaller particles that can easily be washed away. I want you to listen to that again. When bushes are burnt, the land gets exposed to the direct heat from the sun. That means sun hits the soil directly because there is no plant cover. And also the rain hits the ground directly. The rain will also hit, the raindrops will also hit the ground directly, and it will break the soil into smaller particles that can easily be washed away. Is that right, friends? Very, very good.
Come along and play with us.
Now, we have seen these things about soil erosion. Causes of soil erosion, we have mentioned 3. Now, which are the 3? Very good. The 3 causes of soil erosion are deforestation, overgrazing, and burning of bushes. Is that right? Great. Children, now as we finish the lesson, this is the work for you at your free time. You will get out and get some soil from the ground. Spread that soil on a flat ground. Take some water and sprinkle on the soil. What do you see happening to the soil? Write down what you have seen and compare it with what we have learned today. I think that one is going to help us in our next lesson, which we will equally look into the soil. Have you understood? Great, my friends. I hope to meet you in the next science lesson. And until we meet again, bye-bye.
Goodbye, 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 teacher. Goodbye, children. See you next time. Goodbye, 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 teacher. Goodbye, children. See you next time.